Have you ever had this happen? An hour later, it's creased and it's oily and it looks gross. Go ahead and get rid of those eyelid and eyeshadow primers because they don't work. But I do know something that does. The first thing we want to do is just remove all the excess oils from our eyelid. I'm gonna take a regular tissue. I'm also going to take some water here, spray it in, and just remove any type of oils that could be on your eyelid. Is going with the long wear concealer. I love these Shape Tape concealers. They're long wear, they set really quick. These are great. Find something that is close to your foundation color and apply it on. Now here's something else. If you have eyelids that are droopy and are not like perfectly snatched, I highly recommend using a finger. Apply it on. Do not drop it. Take a nice fluffy brush. You see how that's grabbing on the eyelid? That means it is working into it. Really buff that in. Then the next thing, you don't drop your eyelid yet. And take a nice translucent setting powder. I love this RCMA translucent setting powder. I take a little bit out, put it back onto my fluffy brush. And you can do quite a bit actually. And now we're gonna press this in to your eyelid, just like this. Make sure you get anywhere over the whole eyelid that you need to so it doesn't crease. Press it, and you can do quite a bit actually for this part. Press, 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 press it in. And now you can let it go. This will prevent any type of creasing from happening. Then you can go right in with your glorious eyeshadow. Just to show you, I'm gonna go in with this Morphe Neutrals palette. I'm gonna take this pretty color here and show you how smooth this is gonna apply on my eyelid. Do you see how even it applies now? Perfection, literally perfection. When you do this technique, it literally prevents any type of oil buildup over time or creasing, and allows for a very smooth eyeshadow application.